I love hot weather, so when I go on holiday, I like to travel to hot countries. Last year I went to Greece, which was beautiful. How about you? What kind of holidays do you like?
I like adventure holidays, but then I like going on holidays where there's loads of famous landmarks.
I like relaxing beach holidays.
I like different kinds of holidays. I like city breaks, like going to London. I also like beach holidays though.
I like activity holidays where we swim or cycle or do boat trips or skiing, walking, that kind of thing.
Activity holidays, really.
I really like beach holidays.
I love to go on beach holidays.
We like relaxing holidays.
No, we like all sorts of holidays, relaxing ones and city breaks especially.
Where did you go on your last holiday?
My last holiday was to the Cook Islands, and I had a fantastic time. I just sat on the beach and did not very much, read a couple of books, and went kayaking and did some other water sports.
The last holiday I went on was to Bali in Asia.
We went to St. Lucia last year, where we had a relaxing holiday on the beach, reading our books and swimming.
We've got 2 young children, so our last holiday we went to Disneyland in Paris.
Last year I went to Australia with my mom and a friend, and that was pretty much a beach holiday, but we were there for 2.5 weeks and it was very good, very warm.
We went to New York, 5 ladies, and it was the most wonderful place. Wonderful theatres, wonderful nightlife and safe.
My last holiday, I went to Rome. We saw the Colosseum, the Spanish Steps. One night there was live opera there.
Our last holiday was a city holiday and we went to New York and had a great time just before Christmas. We did lots of shopping and looking at all the sights. And once we'd had 3 days in New York, we then went to stay with friends up in Maine, in New England.
On my last holiday I went to France, to southern France, to see some friends of mine who live there.
Last holiday I went to Mauritius and it was good. It was relaxing. It was a beach holiday. The food was fantastic, great seafood, and the people were lovely.
They have really good food there, amazing ice cream.
I thoroughly enjoyed every minute.
Very relaxing, lovely weather.
It was a great place.
The boys really enjoyed it.
It was fantastic.